Thanks for watching this video of our customization of Windows 10. I will also have another video for Mac users similar to this. In this video, we're going to go over customizing the Windows taskbar, the start menu, and the desktop. Down here is the Windows taskbar. And I'm going to show you how to pin some of your favorite programs here. It's handy to get to them with one click. Any of the programs that we have here with the icons, there's a little pink line showing. That means that they're actively running at the moment. And I have another window with multiple windows. You can see that there's a box underneath it, the program icon. Whenever you see that there is no line underneath them, that's the pinned application. So we're going to pin some here right away. So I'm going to show you is the easiest. Basically, start your program as you usually do from the start menu. Then while it's open, the taskbar, right click and choose Pin to Taskbar. This will keep it here for when it's closed. Now let's just close that window and you'll see that the icon stays here. I like to keep my most commonly used programs closer to the start menu, so you can just click and drag the icon to where you want it placed in the taskbar. Now if there's an icon that you don't ever use down here, it's good to do some housekeeping and remove it. When you right click on the icon, choose the unpin from taskbar, and when the program is closed, it should disappear. While I close this window here, why I hide the Windows search bar on the taskbar because it's a bit redundant. When you click the start menu or push the window key on your keyboard, the start menu is a search engine for your applications, files, and settings. When you push start and type internet, or at this point you could type any search for application that you're looking for on your computer. I'm just going to show you a few other browsers that Microsoft Windows 10 comes with. The first one is Edge, and that's the recommended one. And the second one is Internet Explorer. But I often get asked this because to other websites, people need to sometimes go back to the old version. So I'm just going to show you right here. You can right click on that app and then choose Pin to Start. In a separate video, I'll show you how to set up the default browser for your computer. So when you click on a shortcut link, it uses that browser to open up your links. Be sure to check that out. I'll leave it in the comments or description. As a security precaution here, I have to point out, if you need to use Internet Explorer as of 2020, consider writing the webmaster to the website that you need to use Internet Explorer and ask them to update the code to their website. But before doing all of that, try opening the website in Chrome. Hopefully it should work. That being said, let's continue. When you pin icons to the start menu, it appears in the tile area. You can drag these tiles around anywhere you want. Any of the icons that you pin to the start can be dragged out as a desktop shortcut. Just drag the icon as a link onto the desktop and it'll create the shortcut. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut for Chrome right from the start menu. Just drag to the desktop. Now, because I'm a big fan of Chrome, I'm going to show you an extra tip. In the Chrome Apps Launcher, any one of the apps that you have already installed, and when you right click on the icon, choose Create Shortcuts. From here, it will prompt to create two other shortcuts for you, one on the desktop and one in the start menu. Click Create. When I'm creating these links, I'm setting it for the user of the profile that I'm creating it with. In this case, it's using my personal Gmail account. Now I have an icon on my desktop that takes me directly to Gmail, just like Outlook. If you're able to know that this double diamond is a service handler that when you click on email links, it will open a window in Gmail webmail. Just set this to allow and click done. Just like setting up the default browser, you can set up a default email client program such as Outlook or in our case Chrome, and I'll show that in the other video. As always, thanks for checking out this video. If you found it helpful, like it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you think somebody else might find this video helpful, be sure to share it with them. And subscribe to the channel for more videos. On the next video of this series, I'd like to talk about everything on the right hand side of the taskbar and just some general settings in overall. In the meantime, I'm going to be posting some other short handy tips that I think Windows users might be helpful with in between getting that next video. So be sure to check out those as well.